wanted, and now I do, and I won't wait on you. It took a long time to know what I needed, and now it's clear whenever you are near. Forever holding out for you. It took a long time to find what I was looking for, and when it did, it all fit together. It took a long time to see what was in front of me, and I can't lie, no matter how I try. Forever holding out, forever holding out for you.
eagles flying overhead, and owls down in the sand, little crabs walking over our legs, and we were together just like lovers should have been. Like the changing tides, you have changed your mind, and now you are no longer mine. But last summer you were holding my hand. Last summer you were laying in my bed. Last summer we were more than just friends. But that was last summer. That was last summer. And I miss the salt in my hair, and I miss your emerald stare, and I wish you were still here in your red sundress, watching the sunset by the pier. In your red sundress, watching the sunset by the pier. Last summer, you were holding my hand. Last summer, you were laying in my bed. Last summer, we were more than just friends. But that was last summer. That was last summer. That was last summer. That was last summer. Like the changing tides, you have changed your mind, and now you are no longer mine. With tears in my eyes, I recall the times when I had you by my side. Last summer, you were holding my hand. Last summer, you were laying in my bed. Last summer, we were more than just friends. But that was last summer. That was last summer when you were holding my hand. Last summer, you were laying in my bed. Last summer, we were more than just friends. But that was last summer. That was last summer. That was last summer. That was last summer. That was last summer.